To fix the Taco Bell app when it won't accept payments, there are several potential solutions. The issues often stem from low internet access, a glitch within the app, or an outdated app version. To address these problems, start by performing a speed test on your mobile device. Open a web browser, search for speed test and select Run Speed Test to assess your internet speed. If the speed is slow, try restarting your router by switching it off at the main switch, waiting for 2 minutes, and then switching it back on. Another approach is to restart the Taco Bell app itself. Shut it down, switch off your phone, wait for 2 minutes, turn your phone back on, and then reopen the app to try making a payment again. Additionally, ensuring the app is up to date can resolve the issue. Check for updates on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Click Update if a new version is available, and then try using the payment feature again after the update has been installed. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Taco Bell app and successfully make payments.